So for this turban, I've measured 22 inches for the head circumference, and I added 2 inch extra. And then for the width, I measured 13 inch. Sometimes I use 14, it depends. And then I have the right side facing me. So I'll fold it like this. I've cut 2 pieces of the same size. I'll fold it like this. I have the wrong side facing me, the right side facing each other. I'll go over to my sewing machine and then I'll sew it like this. I'll sew both and then turn it around, and then I'll come and show you the next step. So after sewing it around, sewing it straight like this, you flip it to the good side. I've done the other side of it. And then you line it up like this. And then I'm going to look for the middle point. I'll fold it like this. And then I'll mark the middle point. So with my needle and thread, I'm going to join everything together like this. Sew the two together now. And then this is what I have. So the next thing, I'll call this first one A, so I don't mix it together. And then the one without the Sharpie, I'll call it B. So I'll take this one, I'll bring it over to this side, and then I'll take this one, I'll bring it over to this side. And then I'll pin it. And pin this side too. And then you go over to your sewing machine, you sew it to the end, you sew it to this place, and then I'll come and show you the last or the next step. So I have joined the both sides together like this. I sewed it to the edge. I did it on the other side too. And then the next step is to take both edges. You sew it like this, sew it like this, and then sew it like this, and leave one opening. So you sew it from here to this place, and then to the end, and then I'll come and show you the last step. So I sew this from here to here, and then the last step is you take your elastic. If you don't have elastic, you can use your needle and thread to gather up this edge, but I'm going to be using elastic. So I'll pin it over to this edge, and then I'm going to be sewing it on this allowance. Sew it to the end. I'm using elastic because I want the turban to have space. Here's our turban Please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you for watching. Thank you.